Speaking of work as friends, Day 4. The sting. Yesterday I got stung for the first time. I was standing outside. There was a beautiful flower, so I grabbed the stem and picked it. I felt something on my stomach. Ouch! The stinger was stuck in me. I started to cry. My dad took care of me. Today I think I will stay inside. Comprehension. Number 1. When did the otter get stung? The otter got stung yesterday. Number 2. Where did the otter get stung? The otter got stung on their stomach. Number 3. Why does the otter want to stay inside? Because they experienced pain from the sting and likely want to avoid a similar situation. Thank you.